My name is Rajat Nair. My register number is URK19CS1107. Today we gonna talk about on the topic fractional knapsack problem by using greedy technique. So what is a knapsack? Knapsack is a kind of a bag in which we have to store the some weight, and we need to get all the profits. So we should get a maximum profit by every object which is stored in it. So how we will do it? So it's a C++ program. I've done it in C++ program. So I've done include bits stdc c++.h using namespace stds. Now I've created a vector pair which is having two parameters of int data type. Also I've created a function bool cmp, that is for comparing that vector pair with two parameters a and b. Also I've created some variables r1 r2 for taking a dot first by a dot second. So basically we are just dividing same with a dot first and b a dot second, and same for b dot first and b dot second. So both parameters are to be divided, and we should return r1 greater than r2. Now we are creating the main thing, that is the storing part, which is a which is a function known as fractional knapsack. So we have taken two parameters with int data type and also an array and another int data type variable n and also a size. Now we have created int current weight equal to 0 because starting weight is 0. When the object's weight will be added, it will show it afterwards. Then we have created a final value 0 0 because initially all thing is 0 because we haven't put it in the knapsack. That's the storage capacity basically. Now for that we have created a for loop for till I equal to 0 and I is less than the size of the size will be given by the user, and till I plus plus. So current weight will be added for array added as in array of I dot second less than equal to n. So if current weight plus array of I, that is dot second, is less than n, we have to add current weight with the array of I second and also final value with array of I first. Else otherwise we have to remain and we have to do n minus current weight and also final value plus equal to array of I first, which is a double remain by array of I second. If it's so, break, and otherwise return final value. So what we have done, we have created a main loop. Now taking the weight from the user, enter the weight, and scene is for the user will give the weight. Now we have also giving enter the number of pairs, number of objects we have to give and also their weights and profits. Values means profit basically. So every object has a profit and a weight, so we need to adjust them in such a way that we should get a maximum profit out of it. So we are creating a for loop for getting those as value 1 and value 2 because we have created them as parameters kind of, and we have just getting vec.pushback for more pairs. So it will check, we are giving a maximum profit earned, and it will give we are getting a fractional knapsack function over here. So it will go again to this function and get all the values, and it will give the maximum profit earned. Now we will run this code. As you can see, enter the weight. So let's suppose the storage capacity is 50, so I'm giving 50. Now if we need to give 3 pairs or as many as the pairs we can have, so I'm giving 3 pairs. So I need to get their weights and profits according. So weights and values will be like something 20 40, it's 1 pair, and we can have 30, 50, and another is 40, 70. So we can have the maximum profit earned by these three pairs. So the maximum profit earned by these three pairs is 26. Hence the code is right. Thank you.